Welcome to the Customers Training, and in this video, I'm going to share how you can make money using the power of internet and only using your computer and nothing else. And this is a Customers Training, so if you're watching this video for free from YouTube or TikTok or Facebook or anywhere else, please give us a like and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and especially your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter, so everyone else learns how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And there is no need to overcomplicate things. It's super simple. And you can do it from anywhere on the planet, from any experience level, any gender. You don't need a website. You don't need social media following. You don't need a mailing list. Sounds cool? And you can do it from any experience level, even if you're a complete beginner. So unlike everyone else on YouTube who show you many different ways to make money online, but they make money making videos, we're going to show you how we make money using videos, but without using camera and microphone. Yes, we have a lot of channels, over 20 plus channels. And using cameras and microphones on all these channels is extremely impossible. So we built our software Epic, and in a moment I will share how Epic works. And Epic is free, by the way. Link is in the description. Go grab Epic for free right now. But before that, today's money motivation. What you see here is one of my Warrior Plus affiliate accounts, and this is pure passive affiliate commissions. So let me take a quick screenshot to be able to demonstrate easily. So the total affiliate commission here on the screenshot is $53,314. It's a good number, but that's not the most exciting part, and this is not the secret of making money. The secret of making money online are these hops. What is hops? Hops are the clicks on the links. When we browse online, we clicks on the links. That's how we hop from one website to another website. These are called hops. Hops only happen when we are interested to click on something. So something is either interesting or something we need or we want. Simply put, we make valuable information video using our own artificial intelligence software Epic. And in a moment, I will share how Epic works. But when we share valuable information, like this video, we are sharing information with you. People love our content. They click our links and they decide to buy from us. And this is how we make money. Super simple. But it starts with sincere interest of helping others using simple information. For an example, this is a screenshot. So I can take this screenshot, copy, and I go to Epic, go to the image section, click here, Control V, and the image is here. Now I can upload it. The image is uploaded in the library. Just one click, the image is on the canvas. Now we can zoom in, we can rotate it, we can pan it, move it, and talk about it. We can add text in one click, format the text as we want, color it if we want, and even give it a background color if we want. Now, that's not the most interesting part. The most interesting part is videos require script. The scripts, I'm telling you, I'm sharing with you. In real world, in these videos, we write scripts using our keyboards. But when we use Epic, we don't need to, because Epic has artificial intelligence. So we go to the text section, click the text generator, and copy text from anywhere on the internet, put it right here, use any of these two buttons, and the AI rewrites the text for us. That text is ours, the users of Epic. Then we take that text, go to the audio section, and click text to audio. Control V, put the text on this box, click one button, and the text turns into natural sounding voiceover. So when we use Epic, we don't need camera, we don't need microphone to record ourselves. Sounds good? This is awesome. And Epic allows you to make bite-sized videos. Like for an example, I want to add another section. I will click this add new button, and here is a secret. All our Epic users get access to all our videos. How cool is that? Just click any of this, use the information that we have already used in our videos. You can modify it, add more sections to it, information to it, or use as is. Use your own voiceover or use another voiceover. Text to voice, of course. You can add more text, more image, do whatever you want and make your own video. But for now, we just want to add a new section. Now this way we can add as many sections as you want. Each bite-sized section can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long. And when we are happy with our video, we just say click save, then we go for other work, we come back, add more sections if we want, or if we are completely happy with our video, simply click this render button and the video is ready. How cool is that? Yes, Epic is free, link is in the description. Go grab Epic and start start making videos. Now I'm going to show you what kind of videos we make and you can make starting today using 2 to 3 minutes of your time and get customers just like us. I start my day with Epic. In my browser, Epic is always open and I go to Google News. I love more about technology, so I go to the technology section, business section, entertainment sections. These are always hot sections and there are trending information as well. All right, we'll go there later. But for now, when I came to the technology section, I found Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 review. I clicked here and I found a video and it's a mobile tech review video. Wow, that's great. So let's say I want to tell you this story to you. I will simply use a free screencast software and take a screencast of this section, add a little box, add a little arrow, click done, copy this image, go to Epic. I will add this image and add a text, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is hot. Maybe I want to make the background yellow and put it right here. Click save. Because now I remember a couple of days back, I saw a video from Mr. Who's the Boss reviewing this same camera. So I want to tell you about it, so I'll take a screenshot. I will say Mr. Who's the Boss made a video just 9 days ago and got 3 million views in just 9 days. That's definitely an amazing story and I can tell you this using Epic. As you can see, making this video is kind of stressful. I'm recording myself and sometimes I make mistakes and I have to record one thing multiple times and we have full-time editors to edit these videos before publishing. But using Epic, it's just one time. Take screenshots, add text, say whatever you want. You didn't like it, delete it. You don't have to take stress and save it anytime you want. Come back and add more sections. Finish your video. It can be 1 second long, can be 10 second long, can be 1 minute long. Talking about 1 minute long videos, why not we go back to YouTube and search with hashtag shorts. And what we see here now are all under 1 minute long videos. And look at this. These 1 minute long videos got 16,000 views. Let me take a screenshot. 18,000 views, another 16,000 views, and 53,000 views. All are information videos that you can make using Epic. Now your final question might be, how do you get these clicks, these hops from your videos? If you go to YouTube and watch any video, you will find links in the descriptions. These links are affiliate links. Similarly, you should put your affiliate links in the description of your videos and in the first comment and tell your viewers inside videos that if they like to buy, they can buy using the link in the description and in the first comment. And if you're publishing videos on Instagram and TikTok, put your links in the bio and ask your viewers to click the links in the bio. That's how you get clicks on your links and make affiliate commissions. That's it, super simple. Have a clear intention of helping others and make simple videos using Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description. With Epic, you don't need to use camera, microphone, record yourself or edit your videos or shoot long videos for long time, get exhausted, write script, edit script, shoot yourself. No, not at all. All these are replaced by Epic. Epic is free to start, links are in the description, go grab them now. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast one, the fun way. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts and your social media timeline like Facebook and Twitter timelines. This way you help us with our goal of helping 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online the same easy way as you are learning. And they will also get access to our free softwares. Links are all in the description. They will like you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is exactly how we make money and hundreds of thousands of other people are making money and you can do it too. Go ahead, hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. If you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.